guys, welcome back to my channel Bongnatic, and I'm Pallavi Das with you guys. So welcome to another video guys, and today I'm going to make a makeup tutorial. Yes, after a really long time I'm making a makeup tutorial on YouTube. So I had a quite amount of request for this purple glitter glossy lip tutorial, because I had posted this long back on Instagram, but after that I didn't had time to recreate the look and make a tutorial. So I thought to why not do it now. So I thought to recreate this gorgeous look. You can definitely wear this in any party you want to, and you can remove the glossy lips and put a matte wear, because definitely we are going to wear mask in any party whatsoever. And so you can remove the glossy lips and use a matte lipstick instead, and you can definitely use this look on your party wear as well, or whichever glitter you want to add you can add on, or you can remove the purple glitter if you want. So let's not further ado and let's get started with today's makeup tutorial. So guys, first I'm using the Good Vibes Pomegranate Toner. It's a spray bottle toner, so it's very easy to use, and just spray it on your face and just tap on the toner to your face. Do not rub or scrub. And after that I'm going to use the Chia Seed hydrating lotion from Face Shop to just give a hydrating base to my face. And after that I'm going to use the Sugar Aquaholic Primer Stick. This also gives a very hydrating base to my skin, so I really like this using this. And for my foundation today I'm going to use two foundation, because due to the shade mismatch I'm using the MAC Studio Fix foundation and the Maybelline foundation. All the shade name will be given in the description box, so do check it. And I'm going to blend it properly on my face, so take your time and blend it nicely on your face. You can see it gives such a smooth finish. It really looks like your own skin. For my concealer I'm going to use the Flower Beauty concealer. This is a very new purchase, so I'm still having my thoughts on it, and I'm going to review it really soon. So I'm going to use it on my under eyes, on my eyelids, and all the highlighting points of my face. And again I'm blending it with the same beauty blender. And for my contouring today I'm going to use a cream contour from N by Bay. It's a basically concealer, but I'm using the darkest shade as my contouring. I'm going to use it on my nose, on my cheekbones, as well as on my forehead, and again blending it with the same beauty blender. You can use a brush if you prefer to. And today for my blush I'm going to use a cream blush from Henna Beauty. The shade name, everything will be written in the description box below, so do check it. This gives a beautiful glow to your face, which I'm dying on it. And to just cover up all the creaminess on my face I'm going to use a powder bronzer from Palladio, and you can see the way I'm bronzing it. If you want a detailed description on how to bronze your face, then do let me in the comment section. For my highlighter I'm using one of my favorite highlighter from PAC Cosmetics. It gives a very subtle and beautiful glow. It's not very chunky, so I really like it. For my eyebrows I'm going to use the Etude House eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to carve out my eyebrow just as I do it. And for my eyeshadow I'm going to use a PAC eyeshadow, single eyeshadow from PAC in the shade Viola, and I'm using it on all over my eyelid and deepening my crease with the same color. And for my glitter I'm going to use this glitter from an Instagram store which I had got. The name will be given in the description box below. So I would like to say, just pat on the glitter, do not rub your glitter on your eyes, just pat on and it will sit on your eyelid. For my kajal I'm going to use a purple eye kajal from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm just going to smudge it out with my smudging brush. And for my mascara I'm going to use the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. I've already curled my lash before, and after that I'm applying the mascara. For my falsies I'm going to use the Vichy falsies, and this is one of my favorite falsies. It gives a beautiful look to your eyes. And for the lips I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Demi Matte lip shade in the shade, I guess it's Shikha. The name will be given in the description box below, so do not forget to check it. And to give the glossy effect to the lips I'm going to use the Colourpop lip gloss, and the shade name again will be given in the description box below. So here is the overall look. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. So guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if you guys like this tutorial, then do not forget to give a big thumbs up, share with your friends and comment down. You guys do watch my video but you guys do not subscribe or like my videos, so I would really request you guys to like my video, comment as well as subscribe and join my family, and do not forget to hit the bell icon beside it so you do not miss any video that I upload. Also guys, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll give my handle right over here, and you can follow me over there because I upload n numerous tutorial over there, so do not forget to follow. Till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.